You are about to manifest success. I mean, massive success, happiness, joy, fulfillment, and love using your own secret power vortex. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we are always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. So each one of us has this internal power vortex. And I want to share a short story with you. I had a friend who was a shaman, a very deep mystic. And when he would come over to my house to visit, he lived out of town. So when he'd fly in, come over, he would look around the house. He would look in all the directions and he'd say, I think I'm going to sleep here tonight. I go, we have a bedroom set up for you. No, I think I'm going to sleep over here. And it might be the corner in the living room or the corner in the dining room or under the stairs. But he said, that was the power vortex of my house. And that's where he wanted to connect. So it's similar in the sense that each of us have created through our journey our own power vortex. Here's all you need to do. And this is simple, but it will take a little bit of research on your part, a little bit of time. It's simple. And once you tap in to your own power vortex, you're going to be leaving an intention, opening your eyes, and there it is. I mean, it's that fast. It really works. Okay, let me share with you a little bit about my power vortex. I went through a very turbulent childhood with divorces and fighting and all kinds of stuff. But there was a time when I felt absolutely safe. Matter of fact, there were two times. One, when I was out on the boat with my father. He had a little small boat. We would go out on the bay. It was chilling. It was bone chilling. But I could crawl up to the bow of the boat with a sleeping bag and cuddle myself up in this sleeping bag as a 5-year-old and just feel warm and safe and secure. Power vortex number 1. There was also another spot. It was right beneath the Christmas tree at Christmas time. And the furnace would be going or the fireplace. And I used to put a pillow there and I felt secure. I felt safe. I felt as if nothing could harm me. Power vortex number 2. So I want you to remember back in time and find your own power vortex. It's a special place where you felt safe, where you felt secure, where you felt happy. I want you to find that place. Can you find that? Are you tapping into it? Now, you're going to close your eyes and you're going to send your mind and your consciousness back in time to that special place. You see, when you were in that special place of safety, of security, you were in a place of perfect manifestation. Why? Because there were no counterintentions. There's no resistance. You felt safe. You felt secure. You felt happy. You felt joyful. So find that place. Go back in time. Close your eyes. Remember that place. If there was a pet there, remember the pet. If there was music playing, remember the music. And tap into that energy. Feel it. Absorb it. And then state your intention aloud. State it in present tense. I am manifesting a new home in 2021. I am manifesting a multi-million-dollar business in 2021. I am manifesting an incredible, loving relationship in 2021. Now, listen to me. This is important. You can't do this from present-day consciousness. You have to go back in time. You have to put yourself back into your own internal power vortex. Okay? Now, if you'll do that, and you will do that every day for 28 days, you will see success, happiness, joy, love beyond your wildest expectations, because there's no resistance there, because you're automatically in a state of happiness, security, joy, and gratitude. Now, if you can't think of such a place, then create a place. Before you state your intention, before you do your manifesting work, create a place in your mind. It might be on the beach. It might be in a little cabin in the woods someplace. But create that special place of safety and joy and happiness and security. You're going to be shocked. Put your results down below. I mean, really, this really works. It's a big secret. You won't find it around the net anywhere or in books, but I've used it. I've had clients that use it. It is amazing. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.